Alrighty, we are at the top of our local mountain. We are on our Scott Ransom 2021, and today we are testing the protection lenses on Insta 360 X5. So I hope they don't disturb the view a bit too much. And that's it. It's a really nice day. So I think we can go and enjoy our ride down the famous Queen Trail. Let's go. Alrighty, today we are leaving this drop alone because we are trying some manuals. Yeah, wow, really nice on this bike, really easy, I must say. I'm used to really tippy bikes. So alrighty, down the famous Queen Trail here. Everybody comes and rides this trail here in Slovenia because it's very special. You have a church at the top and a really long descent. Really nice. I still don't have a cover for the bottom of my bike, so it will remain, oh yeah, empty. It will remain loud for quite some time. Nice. I don't really enjoy a fast rebound at the back because I get kicked really easily on this bike, especially because it's quite big and I'm not really used to it, as I discovered yesterday when we rode Ferrata. Otherwise, this bike handles really good, but it is really, how would I say, really big, especially for my size. I'm a small human. Continue because my mother is meeting me at bottom Sveta Gora and I wouldn't like her to wait for me, so I have to put in a bit higher gear now. So I need to be really smooth on the bike to carry as much speed as possible here. These brakes are really weird. I'm used to Shimano brakes, not SRAM guides, so they are not as powerful as they should be for this bike, but otherwise really nice. Whoa. Oh, Scandinavian flick gone a bit bad. Oh, fuck. I think I would probably put a Honeysuckle in the back. I don't really like this big wheels, especially at the back. They are not as... Oh, my chain fell off. That's why. Alrighty, wait a bit. I'm gonna fix this. Chain is back on, so we can continue now. Probably a little bit less stops on the way down. Yes. Woo. My handlebars are weird now. A weird feeling. There too. They've gone a bit upstream. Not really my style, I must say. I like them pointed a little bit downwards, but too much now. They don't really stay in place for some reason. I don't know. I have to probably I have to tighten the bolts, I assume, because I can move them with my fingers and so on. Maybe even the grips aren't really my thing now. Oh, sliding all over the place. Really weird. Let's see how 29er performs on these rocks here. I must say, for this stuff, it really is better than my 27.5-inch wheels track remedy. So here also the handlebars are not really my favorite, but oh, here's some primo. Come on, buddy. Okay, my car is still here, so my mother isn't. Still isn't here, so I got a bit of time for a bit of rest here before I descend back onto the trail called the Black Cat. So "30 seconds, I guess. Let's go." Continue to the bottom. So this is, as you've probably seen it already, it was a part of Enduro. This was, I think, the 4th or something like that stage. So, oh, much better. I don't really know what to expect now. Okay, so looks like they're working. They're going to be working on this trail now. So no riding since it's Monday morning. I'm not really how to say, I've broken the rules now because I'm riding it, so don't do this, guys, but okay. We are continuing on this trail. This is back. Let me introduce you. This is Krilica. This is better jump. It's stable. It's not gonna happen. Oh, I need a lawyer for this one. Oh, I was trying a techno-hander, but I wasn't. It was not good, really not good. So small whip there for the boys and a few extra gaps. And we are on. This is Charovnica trail. Really, the landing there, whew, very fast. See you at the top of this climb. I've had my break, so let's continue down to each trail. Let's see how 29ers performs on these rocks. Whoa, that is quite a big difference, I must say, because I haven't really felt those rocks really. Oh. And into the thorns and bushes again. Woohoo! We'll see if today me and my bro, oh, not this guy, will come and finish cleaning up. So, last week I scratched myself here, so the reason is there. We're going so slow. Also, because it's really steep, you need to control your speed. So, this is still broken. We have to fix this. This trail is really nice for those who are good at riding. So, that's all, boys, for today's video. I gotta say, 29ers are really good at steep and rocky stuff. So that's all for today. See you in the next one. Ci vediamo, ragazzi.